Surfing is more than just a sport or a hobby. It's a way of life. Having my morning coffee by the sea and watching surfers on the sea, patiently waiting for waves to come so that they could ride them. For many surfers, the passion for riding waves is what drives them to pursue their dreams and overcome obstacles along the way. Take, for example, the story of Alex. Alex grew up in a small coastal town with a love for the ocean. He started surfing at a young age and quickly became obsessed with the feeling of surfing across the water. But as he got older, he faced pressure from his family to pursue a more traditional career path. Despite this, Alex couldn't ignore his passion for surfing. He knew that he wanted to make a career out of it, but he also knew that it wouldn't be easy. He worked tirelessly to improve his skills and gain recognition in the surfing community. But even with his hard work, Alex faced setbacks and rejections. He struggled to find sponsors and was often overlooked in competitions. However, he refused to give up. He kept pushing himself and stayed true to his love for surfing. And eventually, his hard work paid off. Alex began to gain recognition for his talent and was offered sponsorships from major surf companies. He went on to compete in international competitions and even won a few. For Alex, surfing isn't just a sport, it's a way of life. And his passion and determination to pursue his dreams have allowed him to live a life that he loves. His story is a reminder that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. When observing surfers, you learn a few very valuable principles that you can also use and apply in your life and your career. The first one is the level of patience they have. When watching surfers while having coffee today morning, I've seen a group of surfers. The first of them was going out to the sea and was patiently waiting there for waves. The others were a bit behind him. However, they stayed in that water, they remained in the water for hours and patiently waited for waves to come. Some of the waves will usually just pass and they wouldn't even take those. And some of them they would be riding and they would enjoy the ride on the waves. So when it comes to patience, you have to be patient because not each and every wave is the right wave for you. The second and a really valuable principle you can also apply in your life is the power of decision making. Remember that every day is an opportunity, just like every wave is an opportunity, but you will not surf every wave. However, if you only sit on the surf and never stand up on this, you also never get to ride any of those waves. Don't get caught up in waiting, but also understand that you will not surf every wave and that it is actually okay to make a decision based on your knowledge how to surf well. It is okay to patiently wait and choose the right one for you. Choose the right wave. Don't get caught up in what was, but remember to keep swimming and take that next right wave. It may be the right one, really. If you learn beforehand and practice your surfing skills, you will know how to surf well. Enjoy your surfing. The surfer's mode and the rules you just learned from this story are fully applicable when you are trying to build your career or perhaps you're starting your new business. You need to have patience, but you need to also make decisions because without this, you will never move a needle in your career and neither in your business. So surfer's mode is the motivation for you for today's story, and you will also get ahead more if you apply it in your life.